We can make use of another operator called the in operator to replace having to use multiple or the pipe or operators here. So if we use the in operator, then our formula is going to be more, it will look more elegant. So let's say I'm just going to delete all of this, filter argument side of calculate, and I'm going to specify it all over again. So calculate revenue, comma, and for my filter, I'm going to say where the location region is silently, in, not silently. So where the location region in is in any of the following. So I'm going to have to open my curly brace to start specifying my list of the things I want to check in the location region column. So double quotes, I want to check south, double quotes, comma, double quotes, I want to check west, double quotes, comma, and double quote, I want to check east, double quotes. Then I'll close my curly brace and I'll close my parentheses. And when I hit enter, my result should still remain the same. Okay, so results remains the same thing, and this is a more elegant way to write that formula. It's basically does the same thing. So the in operator is going to check if south, west, or east is being filtered in the region column. So once it sees that, then it can give us the results that we want.